in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view notification history on your MacBook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, you want to go down and select where it says Screen Time. And then over here on the right side, you want to go and select the item that says Notifications. And if you had any notifications, they should appear in here, and you can go by day as well if you search back, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.